I tested the two most popular weeding tools on the market to let you know which one actually works the best. Grampa's Weeder has a vintage sounding name, but it's actually a fairly new product and they've got a huge marketing budget behind it. So you've seen this thing all over social media. Fiskars is the household name that has been around in the big box stores forever, and they've got a similar style weed puller that promises great results with a few minor differences compared to the Grampa's Weeder. I've got a bunch of weeds in my yard, mainly dandelions, and I'm gonna try out both of these weed pullers and see which one actually works the best. Up first is Grampa's Weeder, and like I mentioned, it has a vintage old school sounding name to create the impression that this was a homemade design passed down from an older generation. It has a wooden handle that goes down to a double prong claw. The business end is metal and it feels pretty strong. The claw part pivots and there's a foot pedal extending off to the side for stomping. The goal here is to center the weed between the two claws and then stomp down. Once in the ground, pull the handle sideways. That's going to simultaneously close the claws together and grip the weed while pulling it up and out. It's a slick design that uses the foot pedal to get leverage, and the goal with both of these tools is to not just pull the weed, but get the actual roots out too. It works pretty well, and as you can see here, the tap root is what I'm after. That's the large central root that needs to be removed to prevent regrowth, and I'm able to get it out with the Grampa's Weeder. This tool is easy to use, it works pretty well, and I can pull a lot of weeds in a pretty short amount of time. One thing I don't like right off the bat is that the weed tends to stick to the claw and it doesn't release that cleanly. You kind of have to reach down and pull it off and it'll be muddy, so your hands will get dirty. It's a minor complaint, but overall, really solid tool that does what it claims. The Fiskars tool is up next, and you can see that it's fairly similar in design. Side by side, these tools look closely related, but there are definitely some key differences that make a big impact on usability. The Fiskars tool has a claw too as the primary weed removal mode of action, but instead of two prongs like Grampa's Weeder, it has four blades that come together, and they're serrated too to really grip the weed and hang on tight. The foot pedal is similar, but way bigger, and the tool works in much the same way as the Grampa's Weeder. Center the weed up and stomp down. That's gonna drive all four blades in and around the weed. Pulling the handle to the side is gonna leverage that foot pedal, and those four blades are gonna pinch the weed really tight while pulling it up and out. Pretty similar to the Grampa's Weeder so far. But here's where things get pretty different. The Fiskars tool has a collar that slides down to eject the weed from the prongs, shotgun style. It sounds trivial, but this feature is awesome because you can weed alongside a bucket and just pop out the weeds and then eject them into the bucket, and you can move much faster with this tool. The Fiskars tool can also extract the tap roots, and honestly, I was having more frequent success getting the roots out with this than the Grampa's Weeder. The grip is a little nicer too, with a contoured handle that makes it easier to use for long amounts of time. If you've got a yard full of dandelions like I do, that might come in handy because you're gonna be putting some time in. So what tool is better and which one should you get? The good news is that they are both top tier weed removal tools for a reason, because they work. I liked a few of the features on the Fiskars tool more, mainly the addition of the ejection collar. Turns out that made a huge difference in usability, and I was able to move faster, cover more area, pull more weeds in less time, and stay clean doing it. I was also having better success with the Fiskars tool and getting longer roots more frequently. Fiskars sells a 3-prong model, and this is the 4-prong. I've heard that the 3 isn't as good, so if you're gonna get one, make sure it's the 4-prong. Grampa's Weeder has 2 prongs like this. Fiskars has a 3-prong that kind of goes like this, but I'm testing the Fiskars 4-prong that goes like this. And that's the one you want. Now you'll probably have some bare spots to fill in after extensive weed removal, and if you want to see 2 videos to help with that, they're linked right there for you. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I make content like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.